What you hear right now is a massive Shepard Tone. This is a sound effect which gives the illusion of a constant rising pitch, well known of the bikes of the original Tron movie. You can create this effect easily. First you will need a sound which rises in pitch, and for that I will use this synth. For the rising pitch I can program a pitch band or use something else, and I will use the GS-DSP Magic Pitch Frequency Pitch Shifter to have the tone rise 2 octaves or 24 semitones. I have bounced this to a separate file, because to create a Shepard tone you need to stack a few of these rising pitch sounds. So here is the pitched sound, and below here it is again, but offset. You see, I have created fades to not have an abrupt start or end. I have set this to a grid to make my life easier. Right now you already have a Shepard tone going on. If you add more duplicates and offset them, the sound will get fuller and more dense. I have 8 in total now. And here are another 8, but an octave higher. Now to really round it off, add a nice effect like a delay on everything. In the video which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below, I will create a soundtrack in the style of Stranger Things. Check it out.